If you spend a few $100s every year to have someone open your pool for you, you're going to want to watch this video where I go through my pool opening step by step with a few bonus hacks. When I winterize my pool, I don't take any chances leaving the pump outside to freeze and crack. So my first step in spring is to remove all the threaded fittings and add a new layer of thread tape. This will minimize your chance of leaks later on. Now here you see me being lazy, trying to install some hose clamps with pliers instead of a screwdriver or socket like you should. Don't be me, get the proper tool. Once I made all the connections, I laid out the backwash hose for the next steps. So here we got the skimmer, shut off valve, comes into the pump, out of the pump to the filter, out of the filter. This is where the bypass is for the solar heater, so I plugged off the solar heater here and here so I can rewire, change the pipes. When the solar heater is connected, turn that one off. Water goes in to the solar heaters and then back from the solar heaters up through the chlorinator that turns the salt into chlorine, and then back out to the jet. So with an early warm March, we got too excited and took the winter tarp off too early, and the algae absolutely loved the sun.
Ew, there's a bug.
Oh yeah.
Two of them. Ew. What is that?
I don't know.
It looks like grasshoppers. No, that is not grasshoppers.
After getting what looked like a few mating beetles out of the skimmer, we were ready to start opening some valves and let the water fill the filter and the pump. Once the pump was running on filtration, we went to the control panel for the saltwater chlorinator and turned the chlorination on to high and let it run overnight. Okay, let's go see how this is looking from yesterday. Ooh. Oh, this is looking way better than the green gloppy goo from yesterday. 12 hours later, you can see the bottom. Give it a bit of a vacuum and should be good for cold dip tomorrow. Nice. Quick info, don't try to vacuum without doing a backwash first. Turn the pump off. Flip the backwash. Pump on. Then your little bubble here gives you all the goo that's coming out. And you keep the backwash going until that goes clear. After about a minute, it gets pretty clear. Then you can turn the pump back off. Flip it to rinse. Then you can see your bubble clearing up. Another 15-20 seconds, turn it off, and then back to filter. Filtration. Then after that you have full suction, full jet power. Then you can go vacuum. Okay, next day let's go see what, oh would you look at that. So yesterday we did a bunch of vacuum And now there's just a little bit more vacuuming left. Gonna be good to go for cold dip later. Don't be lazy. If it's not working, go do a backwash.
Oh, look at that suction. Like a Hoover. Do your backwash.
I need to get some sandbags underneath the stair. Hold it down. So a bit of an issue I got is this bag leaked. And then when I took it out, I got sand all over the pool. So, I'm gonna try something. I realize I have a food saver. And there you have it. Started on a Saturday, finished on a Monday. Nice clear water, and saved a few $100 in the process.